This is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I'll show how you can fix slow system issues on this device. In the beginning, you will need to launch your device's settings, or actually before that, let's launch the Google Files app and perform a storage cleanup. So here, open this section, then go for the clean, and see what measures and steps the system will come up with, since all those recommendations are personalized and tailored for your particular storage situation and for your particular internal storage state. So simply enroll all these steps you'll see here. In my case, that's only to clean junk files, merely 90 kilobytes of junk files, since my storage is in perfectly optimal condition. But if you've been using this phone for a while and it had a chance to clutter up the device memory, taking care of your storage and freeing up some storage space is definitely a way to go. Then you can also launch your device's settings, enter the system category, then open the performance section, and here switch on the smart app launch. Then you can also see if your storage has any fragmentation from this menu here, and enroll the RAM boost feature. So switch it on, select how many additional gigabytes you would like to get, and then restart your phone so those changes will be properly applied. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.